kawuono wakele yo no mopogore
yo mopogore but Budho In Style wating'o gimoro amora yes
kawuono wantiere gi nyadendi mwadhi twak godo kaeni to ponono ni nitiere gi penjo idhi e Facebook page marwa ornwa ote kaka wadhi penjo nikech ng'ato be nyalo bedo gi penjo about her.
Am I Luo also? Yeah, just that I can't explain certain things in Luo, but I understand Kijaluo.
Okay, so our questions are going to be in Luo. Then you can express yourself with any language that you'll be comfortable with, right?
All right.
Yeah.
Maybe the Luo I understand with
sipoelewa tutarusha tu in Luo, in English, Swahili or anything. Inyakani.
Anya game. 20 years of age. I'm from Kisumu Dala, but Anya game. Yeah, so I started modeling when I was in Form 4 in high school. Yeah, and after high school, the journey began officially. Clicks does not really mean what people always think, like hot legs. You just have to have like hot legs. What people always think, like hot legs. You just have to have like hot legs physically. Hot legs means a lot. Hot legs means a lot deeply. It's a platform that nurtures woman. And it embraces women's talent and well, I can say it depends with the organization, but I'm not going to dwell so much there. You know, in every runway and every event and every grand finale, there's a grand prize. So it's you to know how you are going to manage that grand prize. If you know you have an international runway, even though if you feel like the grand prize won't be enough, I think that is where you need to step in as a queen. Yeah, and you cater for the rest of your outfits. But I think that is where you need to connect with designers, photographers, and all other people who will support you in your journey. And that is why also in this industry, as a model, you need to have a fan page. Yes.
For you to grow.
Yes.
Okay, so your fan page has helped you a lot in growing?
Yeah, my fan page carries my friends, my family. Yeah, that's a very nice and strong fan page that has carried me from the ground till where I am right now. Go for a training by joining an agency. And also in this industry, you have to have where now brains comes in, because hapo kwa panel of judges, for you to win that crown, you have to be also smart, because we have question and answer, and the judges are going to ask you a question. You don't really have to be right typically, but the way you answer that question is what will make you win. Yeah, because they can ask you, who's the president of Kenya? Person A will say Uhuru Kenyatta, and she or he is done. Person B might say, I'm not really able to answer that question for now, but if given the time to research, I would love to go and do research and come back with more information. You know.
Okay.
When it comes to education.
When it comes to education, not everyone is learned.
Why?
Because finance.
I'll use education as an example. So for an advocacy, you have to like spot the problem, and if it really didn't affect you growing up, or some people it affected them growing up. Like personally, I have my advocacy, and I decided to bring it up because it affected me, and it motivated me to fight for it and also help those who are still going through it.
So it means you are advocating for something.
Yeah.
That you didn't get enough of it.
I didn't get it, and I don't want all schools in Kajulu. You walk to the schools in Kajulu. You walk to the governor's office or the chief's office. Unampresentia the governor's office or the chief's office. Unampresentia that your idea. Your idea, and he or she will see what they can do about it. If they give you money, it's 5, but I broke them down to 3. We have it's 5, but I broke them down to 3. We have the orphans, we have street children, we have abandoned teenage mothers, we also have old people in the streets. Yes, and lastly we have unemployed youths. They also need support. So these 5 groups of people, I formed a 3 structured list. Yeah, and that is why it's called the Rule of 3 initiative. So the main goal is to ensure that everyone gets, and that is why we have mentorship programs. You offer mentorship programs, and you go to that, you identify the person, and you go to him or her, you tell her, can you do this and that? And when they tell you, I'm really sorry, I don't, that are done there were not my course. That are done there were not my course. It's not what I really wanted to do. So I proceeded to do, I wanted to do cabin crew. Air hostess. But when I went to the platform, air hostess. But when I went to the platform for application, they told me I was too young for the course. They take 20, making them from papers, pads, So that is what we were using as. So that is what we were using as outfits. And with those who encouraged me, outfits. And with those who encouraged me, home science students for that year, I managed to win Miss Congeniality title. And when I won it, I was like, I can do it. Yes, why not? I can do it. Yes, why not? And I just started doing my research, social media every time I go home. And I think that is how I grew passion for modeling. Yeah, because I've always explained to him about modeling. For him, I've always explained to him about modeling. For him, it just looks like beauty and makeup. Yeah, but he supports Manya. I think it is the best platform in Kenya because it is the only organization and platform that supports 2 queens to the international stage. All these other ones are always number 1 peke yake. Number 1 only, number 1. But for Miss Hot, Legacy in Heels, Women of Impact. That is why we are having tasks.
So, like, this is a numeva. How many heels?
These are 6-inch.
Ndio refu kuliko zote?
No, we have 8-inch also.
You can do 8?
Yeah. But when we reach home, you text them, they're not even replying. Yeah. Some offices you go, you find maybe the chief or the leader there. She or he is there, but they're sending someone to tell you, I'm not around. Yeah, so there are some of the challenges. Also, you see sometimes online, you post something, you request people to... Yeah, you won't find them physically, and you'll be also like messing with them. You know, they'll see like you're forcing them to do something, and it should be from the heart, actually. Your fans should be doing things because they're your fans. They want to support your journey. Yeah, not you going to force them to do things. Exactly. And to be ready. So when the organization wakes up and tell you, we need you to go and look for an interview, you have to no saying, oh, I wasn't ready. Oh no, that would be like you were not ready from the time you applied.
Yes. Yeah. But so, you know, misconceptions that people do have about modeling industry.
I can say 2. One of the misconceptions people think about the industry is that models all lead to have like physical beauty only. It does not come with the physical beauty only. You have to have the inside beauty and the mental beauty, because it also, you need to be smart. We have judges, like I said, they will, I don't have money, I think that runway is not for me, you know. No. When I applied for this Miss Hot Legs, at that time, I didn't have anything in my account. I was like, oh my god, I'm going for it, because I wanted, I was inspired to go for it. I wanted, like, mentally, physically, I just really wanted to go for Miss Hot Legs, because I missed the last year's auditions. I didn't go, and it really hurt me, but I said next year, I'm going for it. Yeah.
Have you ever experienced any rejection?
And the loser does not mean that you can't do it forever.
And you are rejected.
It's just something you missed. Yeah. Next time when that is what the youths, it influenced sana. Too much influence. It is bad. Yeah. Mentally, it will lower your mental health. Yeah. And my last advice now for the industry, if you're really passionate about I am always a winner.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Okay. Erokama na inya neja neno marwa mabende nena noa kamora mora mantire. Na inya neja neno marwa mabende nena noa kamora mora mantire. Ne wantire kaindi kod nyadendi. En mane koro waloko dhok. Lakini wana Budho In Style.
Lakini neno piny luo kaindi.